So here's how to delete your Microsoft account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser, and then here you have to simply go to the Microsoft website. After that, here you have to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, now here you have to go to this page, your info. Once you click on it, now it will take you to another page. On this page, you will be able to view all of your account information. Then at this your info page, you have to simply scroll down to the bottom and you have to go to your close account option. Once you found this option, now here you have to click on it. Once you click on it, now it will take you another page. Now at this page, it will guide you to how you can delete your account. You have to scroll down and go to this continue option at the bottom. Once you click on this continue option, now it will take you to another page. At this page, you have to simply go to the close account option. Once you click on the close account option, after that you have to check all of the boxes and then select close account option at the bottom. Now your account will be successfully deleted. However, if you want to log into your account, you can log into your account within the 60 days. After 60 days, you will not be able to get your account back. So that's how to delete Microsoft account permanently.